We have three different shapes of the windows that proves the different uses of this building through the centuries, from a medieval fortress to a government palace. Because the bull shows us the power of Jesus Christ among humanity, and three records the Holy Trinity. The other meaning of this family crest is related to the activity of the Trinity family among the Republic of Siena, because we were a group of bankers. So the bull shows us their financial power among the Republic of Siena, and three just records the shapes of three coins, which was their financial activity related to the trading of the currencies and the money. And 4041 is a palindrome number, which means that it can be read from both sides. Read from both sides. You will obtain the same number. Well, we produce, not we, but in Tuscany in general, famous brand, just like Chianti Classico, Brunello di Montalcino, Rosso di Montalcino, Morenino di Scanzano, Vino Nobile di Montepulciano, and so on.
All red.
All right, exactly. So I have to tell you something about putting up all the conditions that you see in weeks. Because very close from us, we have a volcano. This volcano is still active. Of course, we don't have lava eruption, but we have a lot of hot springs all around and a lot of underneath rivers. Why? Because we have a sort of aqueduct or pipeline system that was built by those who were creating the first part of this building during the 13th century. Posted cask and 2.5 years into the glass bottles. Why? Because the glass is a natural kind of material which allows a very gentle evolution of the wine itself without any kind of extra component.
Like a metal wood.
Exactly.
Or
metal, concrete, plastic, they're all natural. The same with the Rosso di Montalcino. 6 months here and 6 months into the glass bottles. Leonardo da Vinci, and actually it's the best tool that we do have in order to measure the level of the wine inside every single cask. For two reasons. A part of the wine has been absorbed by the wood itself during the aging process, and a part of it evaporates to the wood. So in order to avoid any kind of air contamination, we have to keep under control the constant level of the wine inside every single cask. And when this level goes low, just open the cap and refill with the same variety of wine, which is forming during the aging process, to bubble out and explode through the water without any air to come in. And 1, 2,
2, 3, and 4. You have to crack the egg. Put down the here. Of course you can. Bravissima.
He's a fabulous barbecuer. He's good. He can.
He's good also to crack the egg.
You do a good job.
Here, now he's gonna move. Oh. Okay, perfect. Perfect, my friends. For example, my mother-in-law, she used to have a pizzeria, and she used to put the mascarpone on the top of the porridge. Very, very long, like an American coffee, okay? If you want, in the coffee you can add rum, whiskey, brandy, Kahlua, Baileys, bourbon, everything that in Italy we say si sposa bene, is a good marriage between the coffee and the liquor. That means that the liquor, it doesn't have to change the taste of the coffee. Like for example, break it because it has to fit here, of course, and cream to cover my lady finger. Use the spoon. We are going to touch the bowl like this. Okay? 2 layers. In the first layer, we're going to use 1 lady finger. In the second layer, we're going to use 2 lady finger because now the space is larger, so we have to cover everything. Same thing. Dip not too long, break it. Don't pull like this because we have to cover everything, okay? Break it, dip not too long, break it, and cream on the top. Then, with a marker, you are going to write your name on your bowl and we put in the fridge. Before I bring you, I'm going to add on the top some chocolate, cocoa powder. We don't put now, otherwise it gets wet and it's not beautiful to see, okay? And the peachy are the typical fat spaghetti from this area. They are made just with water and flour.
We've made gnocchi before.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, just US is not.
Ah, okay.
But we are.
So 100 won it.
Yep. Easier to remember.
啱啱好。
100 1 8你打埋打
佢係咪話打喺裏邊先啊？
Crack the egg and put the whole egg there. Bravissimo. Yeah, it's from the egg, don't worry. It's not shell. Because the second rule is try to use almost all the flour. Try to involve all the flour. Wash my hands. I show you. I show you. So is it 6? Push 2. Okay? So, when you will arrive at 2, this is how long your tagliatelle will be. I can eat tagliatelle so long, but just in case, if you will have a piece like this, I'm not able to eat tagliatelle so long, so I suggest you to cut in 2 parts, okay? Now, this time I'm going to use a lot of flour. Flour to cover every single corner of my dough. In this side and in this side as well. Okay? Then I start to roll. Roll very gentle, very large from both sides. They have to meet halfway or when they're more or less the same size. So roll large means don't push one finger, it has to fit here, okay? So from here and from here as well. Then I turn my dough, I take my knife and I start to cut my tagliatelle. The size for the tagliatelle is this. These are pappardelle, this is nothing. So try to do tagliatelle, okay? Don't touch the dough, don't do that, but touch just the knife and cut all the way through, like this. okay? All the way through. Of course, they cannot be all the same, are handmade. But as my lovely grandma, she said, in the stomach is dark, we don't care. Then, with the blade, with this part of the knife, I'm going to follow this line in the middle. I go underneath, I turn my knife, and I go up.
Oh.
And here there are our tagliatelle.
Voila.
Okay?
Perfect.
Why a lot of flour? Roll gentle, don't touch your dough. Because otherwise, when you go up with a knife, the tagliatelle, they will stick together and they don't fall down. The fancy thing, it doesn't happen. Okay? There we go. Okay? You can do it. I'm here to support you.
要做幾多次啊？
應該係一次啦。
總之做啱個長度啦，係嘛？做。
These are for me. I'm joking. %, Sangiovese, of course, the name of the grape that we use here in Tuscany. Very fresh and drinkable wine, because this wine is stayed just for 1 year in the big container of iron. That means no barrel, no hook. Let's say that this is the Tuesday night wine, okay? But you will see that is more than a table wine. So flip in your glasses, please.
Tuesday one?
These are from Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, Saturday. So smoother compared to the other. Wine good to pair with ravioli, burro e salvia. Wine good for an aperitivo to pair with ham, cheese, salami. Perfect present if somebody invites you for dinner. You will never wrong.
Okay. I'm sorry, I need another picture of that lady.
Yeah, then I tell you everything about the prices of
Do
the
they
wine.
import to Canada?
Yeah. full body wine because this wine is safe for 2 years in the barrel and the last 3 in a bottle. So this is the Friday, Saturday night wine. Okay? Very, very smooth. Wine good to pair with tagliatelle, cacio e pepe, fiorentina stick, peposo, stracotto, truffle, strong tastes. Okay? Wine for occasion. Why for occasion? Because the beauty of this wine is that you can age. That means now it's beautiful. In 2 years will be better. 5 years, much better. 10 years, amazing. So you can open for occasion like Thanksgiving Day, Christmas, New Year's Eve, birthday, wedding, anniversary, divorces, everything you consider is to celebrate, okay?
Mother's Day.
Mother's Day, yes.
Yeah. Every nice.
I tell you why,
There's a lot of
because
sugar in there.
we had sugar in the egg white, there is sugar on the lady fingers, okay? It's a dessert, but it becomes too sweet, okay?
Beautiful.
So, my beautiful couples, we are at the end.
Okay.
I would like to say thank you. I hope that you enjoyed the experiences.
Yeah, let's take a picture. Good idea.